In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and now use it in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more pop-up view options, click on this blue line at the top and operate all of them. To turn your window into a bubble, click on Home button and to access it, tap on the bubble. Lastly, to close your window, you can drag it to Remove section, turn it into a bubble and drag it to the same Remove section or simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!